Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my channel Electric Shock. Today my topic is about temperature based DC fan speed control. First of all, let's check for demo. I am taking heated soldering iron close to this sensor. As the sensor receives temperature, it decreases its resistance. At a certain point, it will drive this fan. Now temperature sensor is receiving temperature, it decreases its resistance. At a certain point it will drive this fan. Now you can see fan is running. Now I am cooling down the temperature sensor and fan speed will decrease gradually, and at a certain point it will stop. Now you can see it has already stopped. For this project, you require NPN transistor, 10K pot, 10K and DC temperature sensor. This circuit actually used in power supply, inverter, laptop, and many other electronic machineries where is thermal exist. So how the circuit actually works? Let's try to make it out. Set your multimeter to ohm resistance mode. Room temperature resistance is 9.3 K. As the sensor temperature starts to rise up, it starts to decrease its resistance. Now resistance is already decreasing. Now I am allowing it to cool down. As the temperature is decreasing, it increasing its resistance itself. You can see. So when its resistance decreases, it allows more current to the base. When the base gets enough current, it starts switching from collector to emitter. At what temperature you like to drive your fan, you can adjust it by varying this variable part. This is 10K variable part. So hopefully you'll like this video. Please share it and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.